Okay, so we're talking about the pendulum exercise for the shoulder. If you've been prescribed this exercise, you probably have frozen shoulder or pretty good shoulder problem with raising it range of motion wise. So for this exercise, you need something to lean on, like a table, couch, coffee table, and you need some type of weight. I've got a 2-pound dumbbell. Doesn't have to be a 2-pound dumbbell. You can use a water bottle or a jug of milk, whatever feels comfortable to hold while you're doing this. But you need to take that weight, you need to lean onto your surface, getting your upper body, your spine kind of close to horizontal, and then you're going to let that shoulder rotate you're going to alternate between clockwise and counterclockwise. And what we're looking for is that you can start to get that range of motion in the shoulder, loosening it up to get to the edge of comfortable. It shouldn't be painful by any means, like no sharp shooting pains, but it should start to feel like the shoulder's moving more necessarily in certain planes while you're doing this. You can do counterclockwise, clockwise circle. You can do forward to back and side to side, kind of testing the limits of how far the shoulder can go. And as the shoulder improves, you need to increase the range of motion. So the circles get bigger, the up and down, side to side gets bigger, and you'll spend a few minutes doing that a few times a day.